Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Honda Fit, and we're going to go over how you'd replace this rear light assembly on your Honda Fit. In case it was cracked, broken, or whatnot, you would need to be able to know how you'd want to remove this whole thing, buy a whole new unit, and put a new unit in. All right, so you've lifted up your hood latch. Now you're going to get back in here, screwdriver, pop this cover off, and then you've got 1, 2, 3 bolts right here to be able to remove this whole light assembly. To make it easy for you, you can just undo all the electrics or take out all the light bulbs right from this side. These are size number 8. So you just loosen them. Be careful not to drop them down in there, otherwise you're going to be taking a lot more apart than you want to. So once you got those 3 bolts loose, you can just press on the back here of the housing to be able to push it out. Right. And then you just pull it out, and that's how you would remove this whole light assembly. And then you buy a whole new one to put it back to replace it. That's it. You got a couple little tabs right down here which line up in this little groove on this thing, and then definitely when you're putting it back is this tab and groove, especially this one here, that's going to line up. There's a couple guide pins on the outside here. Alright, so once you've got your new unit, and if you've needed to transfer the lights over, you've transferred the light. Once you've transferred the lights over, then you're ready to go ahead and install. And to install, like I said, there's these 2 tab liners that need to line up, and then the bolts that go through there. Okay. So you start by lining the one on the outside. Press into place, and then put the 3 bolts on the back and tighten that up. Okay. This top one's a little bit of it's a little tougher because there's some electric there. Right, just get them all tight there, and then the electrical connectors back up for the lights themselves. Right, you got those connectors all connected back up. Everything is not sitting in here nice and smooth. Then just go ahead and put this cover back on. Pop it into place. And that's how you go ahead and remove and replace the tail light assembly on your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.